Welcome to Data Administration course. This one, you're going to come out knowing a very strong understanding of how to manage your forwarders and leveraging a deployment server to push out apps to all of those forwarders that are phoning home as clients. We'll create our server classes as well and push out apps through the deployment server and see how you manage that on the front end and the back end. We'll set up some data inputs, including the HTTP event collector input type, and get familiar with how to set that up. We'll also go into understanding of how to extract fields from data that's coming in, adjust your props and transforms.conf settings, both on a front-end perspective and on a back-end configuration setting, and really massage the data to look how you want it to come into your Splunk instance and have more granular control of how that data is flowing through your Splunk environment. We'll also cover knowledge objects and how to manage those, reassign them, and also include some great visualizations in the form of PowerPoint and a lecture presentation. A great course. I hope to see everybody there.